Good morning, students. Welcome to Silver Bells Mansarovar Online Education. Myself, Vinod Trivedi. Today, we are going to discuss about letter writing. Before going to understand about letter writing, let us try to understand what is letter writing. In short, I am telling you what is letter writing. A letter is written message that can be handwritten or printed on paper. So it means a letter is what? A message, written message. Okay, that can be handwritten or printed. Okay. Then, as you know, there are two kinds of letter: formal letter and informal letter. Let us start with formal letter. First of all, we try to understand what is formal letter. A formal letter is one written a formal and ceremonious language and follows a certain stipulated format. Okay, we have to follow particular format to write formal letters because these letters are officially, so we have to follow some format of the formal letter. But before trying to understand about the format, we have to think to whom we can write formal letter. So we can write to collector, we can write to editor, we can write to manager of any bank or anything. Suppose regarding you have any problem with banking, okay, write to director, okay, director of any companies, any university, any school, any of them you can write to collector of any district regarding your issue. And you can also write to editor, okay, a press editor. Suppose if you facing any problem and you want to know that it should be declared, it should be exposed publicly, so you can write to editor also. So like this way you can understand to whom you can write formal letter. Okay, student, this is format of formal letter. First of all, what you have to keep in your mind? First of all, you have to write down the address of the writer with date. Okay, first of all address, then date. Okay, by which way date you have to write down, you can see over here it is given. Then to whom are you writing? Okay, over here one example about ban the loudspeaker. Okay, and writer who is writing letter to editor. So first, then second address will be to whom are you writing the letter. So first of all you have to write down to, then to whom are you writing. It means over here the writer who is writing letter to editor, so the editor, then address. Okay, if it is given in a question paper, then you supposed to write down that only, and if it is not given, you can make your own also. Then afterwards, subject. Okay, so regarding ban the loudspeaker, okay, the main what's the issue about it, why you are writing the letter to editor, okay, to ban the loudspeaker. Okay, you have to first of all put the main topic, main subject, okay, of your letter. Then afterwards, respected sir or madam, okay, any of them you can write. Afterwards, first how you can start, you have to put such kind of line, otherwise words, I would like to draw your attention, मतलब कि मैं आपका ध्यान इस बात पे लाना चाहता हूँ. ओके, ये लाइन आप रेगुलरली कहीं भी लिख सकते हो. सेकंड थिंग, इफ यू हैव सीन एनी अदर लाइन in any grammar book, you can follow also, there is no matter, but such kind of meaning should be needed there. Then whatever you have problem, you can narrate over here. Okay, the problems of the loudspeaker you can show. Okay, about noise pollution, disturbance in study, okay, harmful for patients, and anything you can mention over here. So it is very easy, nothing more. One thing, in a high standard you supposed to what say, you should increase your skill for letter writing and all, you do not have mug up the things. Okay, you can utilize your own ideology. So it is very easy for your board examination also. So again I am telling you, you must not mug up any letter. You should know how to write the letter. Okay, then whatever problem you have to mention, and end of the that para you have to mention, I shall be thankful to you. Okay, suppose if what I have said the problem, and if you take the exam or say action on it, then I shall be thankful to you. Then afterwards, your sincerely, you can write down your faithfully as per requirement, and then your name. So by this way you can write the formal letter. Okay, let us try to understand about informal letter. What is informal letter? Informal letter is a non-official letter that we usually use to our friends, family, or relatives. Generally, there is no formal format. Okay, in informal letter, we can use our desire, wishes, and many other things also. Now, when generally we write informal letter, so for our occasion in our family, sometime you are inviting your friends or relative in any function, or you are wishing for good result in board exam to your friends or any your relative member, any of them. So for them, you are very used to about it that you can write informal letter. Now see by which way you can write informal letter. First of all, address, okay, and date. Then afterwards, in formal letter, we write subject and all that kind of things. Okay, and then that another address to and all. But over here, you can start direct dear father or anything. Okay, then what you have to keep in mind, you have to put this line, I am fine here and hope you also be fine there. Okay, this is okay regular use this line, and you have to write this. So what happen, you can start your letter in a very well way. I am fine here and hope you also be fine there. And then regarding whatever, okay, suppose if you are inviting your friend at your birthday party or anything, you can write, okay, regarding it. And after uh, finishing whatever you want to say, then after you put this line, convey my regards to all family members. Okay, ये लाइन जनरली यूज होती है, तो आप एक मतलब स्टैंडर्ड जो फॉर्मेट है उसका, इसके हिसाब से आप एक लिख दोगे. देन योर लविंग सन, यहाँ फादर को लिखा है. ओके, इसलिए लविंग सन, देन योर नेम. ओके, तो टू होम आर यू राइटिंग, okay, according that you can write down your loving whatever. Okay, so I hope you have understood about the letter, formal letter and informal letter. Okay, by this way uh, we have understood about letter writing. Students, afterwards I will send some sample of letter also. You supposed to write down in your grammar notebook. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.